Microsoft Customer Data Platform Specialist MB-260 exam dumps questions are the best material for you to study all the related skills. Share some Microsoft MB-260 exam dumps questions here. 1. Your manager asked you to evaluate the use of suggested segments for marketing campaigns. You need to tell your manager what kinds of segments can be suggested based on the current Dynamics 365 Customer Insights configuration. Which two types of segments can be suggested? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Customers who have generated the most revenue from ticket sales. B. Customers who have the lowest average customer satisfaction scores. C. Customers who have made the most recent purchases. D. Customers who have the highest total spend per customer. 2. You need to implement the out-of-the-box product recommendation model to generate event recommendations for the post-purchase email. What action must you perform to use this model? A. Upload a product catalog table with categories and prices for event types. B. Change the existing semantic mapping type for the event tickets activity. C. Include an as return field in the Power Query definition for event tickets. D. Add an event type id GUID to the event tickets Power Query definition. 3. You created a Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Insights environment for testing by copying the configuration of the production environment. You need to make sure the new environment is operational and satisfies all relevant requirements. Which 3 steps should you perform after creating the new environment? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Enter credentials for the data source that contains sales CRM contacts. B. Remove export destinations and disable scheduled refreshes. C. Recreate the data source that contains e-commerce customer. D. Recreate the data source that contains sales CRM contacts. E. Add role assignments to grant access to marketing team members. 4. The marketing team wants to create a segment for a new email campaign to invite customers to a series of in-store events. What should you do first? A. Separate the fields in the merged FUT name field and create new fields for first name and last name. B. Enable data profiling for the first name attenuates in the loyalty member and T-commerce customer tables. C. Create a merged first name field from attributes in the loyalty member and e-commerce customer tables. D. Map attenuates from the loyalty member and eWMRI customer tables to the person. First, NCME semantic type. 5. You need to fix the problem with exports to Dynamics 365 sales. What should you do? A. Verify the schedule run setting for the export RS set to on. B. Add the Dynamics 365 sales contact table to the profile unification process. C. Add a field for loyalty system email address in Dynamics 365 sales. D. Verify the segment for export does not contain more than 100,000 members. 6. You are a customer data platform specialist. Your company operates mainly in the business-to-business (B2B) space. The Chief Marketing Officer, CMO, asks you to implement audience insights and ensure that it can handle the company's B2B scenarios and data. Which statement is correct when considering audience insights for business accounts versus individual consumers? A. The out-of-the-box product recommendation prediction model is available for business accounts. B. Data ingestion features are different for business accounts and individual customers. C. Some enrichment types are available only for individual customer scenarios, while others are exclusively available for business accounts. D. Business accounts and individual consumers share the same audience insights environment. 7. You are a customer data platform specialist. Your company's chief marketing officer, CMO, learns about Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Engagement Insights capability. Your CMO wants to understand how engagement insights can be used to enhance audience insights. Which two statements describe the benefits of engagement insights? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. It allows you to collect, measure, and understand customer behavior on your website. B. It allows you to create new customer profiles within engagement insights that can be exported to audience insights. C. It allows you to send new customer leads directly to a marketing automation platform. D. It allows you to link audience insights and engagement insights environments to enable bidirectional data flow. 8. You are a customer data platform specialist. You completed all the steps in the match phase of the data unification process in the audience insights. You need to review and validate your match results. Which 3 metrics are available for you to validate the results? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Unique matched records. B. Matched records only. C. Matched and non-matched records. D. Unique source records. E. All source records. 9. You are a customer data platform specialist. You are in the process of implementing audience insights at a bank. You finished setting up the different initial data sources. You are starting the unification process. Which 3 tasks do you need to perform in the mapping phase of the unification process? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Identify the primary keys and semantic field types within the different entities. B. Identify the entities that you need to unify into a single profile. C. Identify the prioritization of similar fields between different entities. D. Select the fields you want to include the unified customer profile. E. Identify rules for duplication between different entities. 10. You are a customer data platform specialist. Your organization is using Power Query when connecting to data sources in Audience Insights. You need to load e-commerce contacts to Audience Insights. Which statement about loading data to Audience Insights using Power Query is correct? A. You must create a separate Power Query data source for each entity you wish to ingest. B. Power Query automatically recognizes header rows in files when you use the text CSV connector. C. After you save a Power Query data source, you have to manually trigger the initial refresh process. D. You can add additional entities to the data source using Get Data functionality in the Power Query.